Welcome to SketchUp for Schools. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use the circle tool. So we're going to click the drop-down menu, select fractional inches. We are going to change the title. To do that, we need to click the location that our folders are in. Find your SketchUp folder, your SketchUp training folder, and now we're going to enter your name and circle tool. Save here. So we have our name, circle tool, and we're ready to go. So right here is a circle tool. Now, by default, it usually starts out with the rectangle tool. So if you see that, you'll have to click on that and then click the circle tool. It's usually located right above the push-pull tool. Okay, so to draw a circle, it's just like any of our other tools. You click one time and let go of the mouse button, and this is the left mouse button. And then this measures in radius. So if you have a 100-inch diameter circle, you need to enter in 50 inches or 50 quotation marks. So let's try that. So I'm going to click and drag. And if you notice the lower right-hand corner, it says radius, whereas with a rectangle, it was dimensions, and with the line tool, it was length. Now it says radius. So we're going to type in 50 quotation mark, hit enter, and we should have a 100-inch circle. And we do. Let's draw another circle on the green axis. So press the left arrow key on the keyboard, click and drag, type in 60 quotation marks. So the radius is going to be 60 inches. The diameter will then be 120 inches, and click enter. So we now have one on the green axis. Let's now try one on the red axis. So now we're going to hit the right arrow key and we're going to click and drag, letting go of the mouse button. Let's type in 50 inches, 50 quotation mark. So the radius will be 50. The diameter will be 100. Notice at the bottom right-hand corner, the 50 matches what we typed. Click enter. And there you have it. We have a circle on all three radius.